Good morning and welcome to another awesome day. Today I've come out to have a look at the block. It's one day before they're supposed to be pouring it, and I don't think they're going to be pouring the slab this week. It's got a little bit of bad weather heading this way, and it looks like it's just going to be too muddy. So we have had the Rio delivered, as well as the Waffle pods. So these Waffle pods, they go underneath the concrete slab and the concrete gets poured over the top of it. It's basically a gap filler. I think they can get away with using less concrete this way. You can see that they are hollow with dividing ribs inside of them. Now take a look at where our power box is located. I know I've covered this before, but you take a look at how close this truck came to wiping out the power box. Nearly slipped over. Look where these tyre tracks are. The power box was sitting right here, so that would have been clean taken off this morning if that hadn't been moved back. And I don't know if this was here before, but you can see a scratch just here. So I don't know whether that's from the truck or whether it was pre-existing. On the weekend I went and bought myself a set of boots. And I tell you, they came in quite handy this morning. Now with regards to the telephone line running into the house, I've dug this up this morning just to check, because it has actually been connected up to the house. There is a conduit that runs all the way along. So that's good, that's one less expense we need to worry about. The electrician has dropped off what they affectionately call hockey sticks. These are conduits that go inside the concrete slab to allow for the cabling and that to go up into the house. So I'm just going to quickly dig in the one down there, because we've got a shed going in up top like I was saying, and we need to have a hockey stick down there for the power to run to that eventually. So today is a new day. I couldn't finish off the filming with the impending weather, and I had to get to work, so I had to quickly rush around and get everything done, which is all good. But you'll see here we've had the concreter come back out. He's installed the crusher dust and smooth it all out. It's all perfectly level by the look of it. Looks like he's used a laser level. Now we've had the trusses and framework and that delivered yesterday, which is interesting. It's interesting to have that here before the concrete, but in any case, it's all good. I've come out today to sort out what's happening with the end of this driveway, because it's quite muddy and I'm just a little bit worried that people are going to get stuck, particularly the concrete trucks, if it happens to rain, which it is expected to shortly. So you can see here that I did add in some extra fill yesterday, but we need to do a bit more. So I'm going to tidy all this up. I went and got a load of road base, so I'm going to use that as well. So as you can see behind me here, we've just finished up. It looks pretty good. A lot better than what it did before. We shouldn't have, hopefully, any issues now with the vehicles moving in and out and possibly sinking away to oblivion. It only cost about 60 bucks. It was 2 trailer loads, and that put a nice surface out there. If you do enjoy their video, please like it, subscribe, and also click the little bell icon too. Catch you next time. Bye.